Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Hearty welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to learn the fourth unit of workbook grammar. Students, please take your page number 54 of the English workbook. Look at the pictures and identify who they are. Write their names in the given spaces. The codes against each picture may also help you recognize them. Pictures of different personalities, codes. It is very simple to be happy, but it is very difficult to be simple. It is said by Rabindranath Tagore. Weakness of attitude becomes a weakness of character. Albert Einstein. The best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Helen Keller. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. Subhash Chandra Bose. After that, reading comprehension is given, that you can do it by yourself. Test 1 is there, then some questions are given. Test 2 also, one letter. So you can, that is very easy, you can do it by yourself. And test 3, that you leave it, it is a poem. May be difficult for you to understand, that you leave it. Now take page number 60, vocabulary. Read the paragraphs mentioned against each explanation and find out the words in that paragraph which best match the explanation given. Refer to the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind given in your textbook. Behave. A word used disapprovingly to talk about a person who is unusual and doesn't behave like others. Paragraph number 1. Freak. Taking part in an activity for pleasure, not as a job. Amateur. Paragraph 3. Respecting and allowing many different types of beliefs or behavior. Paragraph 5. Liberal. A person who is lacking in or hostile or smugly indifferent to cultural values, intellectual pursuits, etc. Philistines. Relating to work that needs special training or education. Paragraph 8. Theoretical. Einstein was a world citizen. This means he does not belong to one country because his contributions to science and the society have moved beyond the borders of his country. World has different meanings in a variety of contexts. Read the sentences given below and find out the meanings of world in each sentence. A. My mother means the world to me. Here the world means everything for the speaker. Here the world means everything for the speaker. Everything. That should be kept within single inverted comma. Everything. Vasco da Gama sailed around the world. Here, physical world as it exists today. World means a physical world as it exists today. See. He is a big name in the world of fashion. Here big means, world means the entire world of fashion across the globe. The entire world of fashion across the globe. D. Starts from the sporting and artistic worlds participated in the function. The world covering the sporting and artistic talents of the people. The world covering the sporting and artistic talents of the people. E. She is a simple person in real world as well as in the movies. Real life situations. Here, real world means real life situations or the real world surrounding one. Next one is grammar. Participle clause. You have read about and done exercises on participle clauses. Beehive, page number 52. We know that participle clause is a form of adverbial clause which enabling us to say information in a more economical way. We can use participle clauses when the participle and verb in the main clause having the same subject. So, both the second part of the sentence also should have the same subject. Example, waiting for John, I made some tea. That if you put it in normal sentence, I made some tea, waiting for John, waited for John and waited for John. So, waiting for John, I made some tea. Choose the correct option for the sentences below. Waiting for the doctor, dash. A big noise scared everybody. They read a magazine. The alarm went off. Waiting for the doctor, they read a magazine. B. Dash in the jungle, George had to find the way out on his own. Having lost, losing. Having lost in the jungle, George had to find the way out on his own. C. Dash, our pottery will last for generations. Treating with care, you treat with care, treated with care. Treating with care, our pottery will last for generations. D. Dash, a holiday, all the banks were closed. Having been, being. It being a holiday, it you have to use. It being a holiday, all the banks were closed. E. Dash for so long, he had lost all hope. Being unemployed, having been unemployed. Here the right answer is having been unemployed for so long, he had lost all hope. Next one. Join the following sentences using a present participle as given in the example. We walked along the footpath, we saw an accident. Walking along the footpath, we saw an accident. Out of the two actions, the first one which takes place first, the one which takes place first is changed into present participle. Now did you notice how it is? Now two actions. We walked along the footpaths, we saw an accident. Here, walking along the footpath is the first action that took place. So, that is changed into present participle. Walking along the footpath, we saw an accident. A. He stood by the side of a temple. He asked people to go in. So stood, we have to change it into participle clause, that is present participle. We have to change it into present participle. Stood. Standing by the side of a temple, he asked people to go in. Standing by the side of a temple, he asked people to go in. B. She came out of the room, she greeted the visitors. Now, which is the first action that took place? She came out of the room, or she greeted the visitors? She came out of the room. So from the verb came, we have to make a present participle. Coming out of the room, she greeted the visitors. We need not repeat the she, the subject again and again. So once is enough. Next one, he heard the news, he started crying. Hearing the news, he started crying. So both sentences will become one. Here, he heard the news, that is the first action. So hearing the news, he started crying. D. He found the lock broken, he rang up the police. Finding the lock broken, he rang up the police. Here he should be, H should be small letter because it comes between the sentence. Finding the lock broken, he rang up the police. He felt sleepy, he went to bed. Feeling sleepy, he went to bed. There is an error in each line. Underline the incorrect word and write the correct word in the blank given. The first one has been done for you as an example. I entered the manager's office and sat down. Here entered spelling is wrong, so it is corrected there. I have just lost 500 rupees and I felt very upset. Having just ended, I lost. Having just ended, I lost. Can make it like that, 500 rupees, and I felt very upset. Here, I leave. Leave is wrong. Left. I left the money in my desk. I left the money. Left is the correct word. The next one, B. I said, and it is not there now. And is wrong. You have to put instead of and, but. But it is not there now. The manager was very sympathetic, but he can do nothing. Manager spelling you correct it. Manger it is written M-A-N-A-G-E-R. Can should be changed into could. But he could do nothing. Everyone loses money these days. These days the spelling is wrong. You correct it. T-H-E-S-E. In the dash you write T-H-E-S-E. He said he started to complain about this wicked world. So he started, not a start, started. But is interrupted by a knock at the door. But was, not is. So, A, left. B, but. C, could. These, D. E, started. And F, was. Next is a listening passage, listening comprehension that you can do it by yourself. Read and write down. So with this we come to the end of this unit. So students, thank you. Have a nice day.